Good morning! I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hani Okta Danianti. You can call me Hani. I'm from Semarang State University, majoring in Physics Education Study Program. The purpose of presentation: how is rain formed? Okay, happy learning fun! The dry season, the weather will be slightly humid accompanied by scorching hot, while the rainy season is the opposite. The weather is slightly cooler, with the potential for rain to occur almost every day. Now, thinking about rain, some of you have ever wondered, how is the actual process of rain occurring? In Indonesia itself, there are at least 3 types of rains, namely frontal rains, orographic rains, and zenith rains. Frontal rain occurs when summer winds that carry vapor meet low temperature air. Meanwhile, orographic rain often occurs in mountains, highlight area. And the last type of rain is zenith rain. This rain is also often known as convection rain. Zenith rain generally occurs in the equatorial region. Rain is water that falls from the sky from clouds will be dew. Before it rains, the sky will look dark and cloudy. And after the rain, sometimes a rainbow appears to make the sky look beautiful. The occurrence of rain starts from the evaporation process caused by sunlight. Water contained in river, sea, or other source will experience evaporation. After that, the condensation process will occur due to increased vapor gel. Water vapor will turn out to dew. The air temperature increases and makes the ponds form and more condensation. Clouds will form and the wind will carry the cloud filled with water drops to a location where the temperature is low. These clouds will gather into large gray clouds. Raindrops condensation around microscopic material called condensation clouds. Not all raindrops fall to the ground, but there are also those who return to the clouds because water penetration the warmer atmosphere and eventually evaporation. They look like cookies, although we often see them like teardrops. Rain also often falls in the form of snowflakes. However, it melts when it falls stuck at the dead atmosphere. The speed of rain falls depending on the area. The drier the area, the slower it will fall.